I really don't like shopping at Michael's. Honestly, I don't like shopping there because each one is $12.99, and my store, it's just like probably 10 minutes away. They rarely have any sales. They rarely do. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amara. I love everything chunky knit blankets. And today, as you can see, we have 3 boxes, which means we have a yarn order. So I have 3 orders, 3 blanket orders that I need to make. And I didn't have the colors needed, so I had to go to the stores. No, I ordered them online because for convenience, I love going to the stores, seeing the colors, checking them out, but sometimes you have to do some things for convenience. So 3 of them came today, which is great. I ordered from Hobby Lobby and Michael's. So let's open up these boxes and see what we have in them. Start with this one. Oh. Okay. So this is just one color. This is soft pink. I recently made a blanket in this color. It had red hearts in it. The only disadvantage I would say with ordering yarn online is making sure they send you the same lot number. I think that's one thing, or one disadvantage you might have when you're ordering online. Wow, is it 9? How many is this? Okay. Oh, great. They're all the same lot numbers. So we have 12 of this color. I probably ordered more than I would need, but that's all right. This box should be from Michael's. Hold gently to expose. Oh. Okay, let's see. This is from Michael's. This color is misty gray. This is misty gray also. This is vintage. Oh, what color is this one? L gray. Wow, what's the difference between both of them? Okay, so this one is a little bit more, like has a hint of blue, like bluish. So this is misty gray and this is Earl gray. So they're both gray, just different shades of gray. Great. And what is this one? This is Earl gray also. So we have 3 Earl gray, 3 misty gray, and 2 vintage whites. All right, box number 2 done. All right, let's open this one. Okay, wow. Oh. All right, so I have lots of this soft pink. Can you imagine? Like, this is what I said. So I ordered this order, like when I placed the order, there's everything in here I ordered at the same time. Then this soft pink, I ordered them at the same time. So because the orders came at the same different times, these 2 colors are soft pink. I'm not even outside under the natural lights. I'm inside the house, just using my lights in the house because it's gloomy outside, it's raining. But I could see the difference between these 2 soft pink. This one is darker and this one is lighter. This is lighter than this, and they are both soft pink. Reason because they have different lot numbers. They have different lot numbers. This one is darker, this one is lighter. But okay, so I'll have to make sure I don't mix them together. So this one stays separate. So if I'm going to make a blanket like soft pink, bold soft pink, I'm just going to use this one that has the same lot number. They are the same colors, like the same exactly. Then this one I'll be using it for whatever I'm making with this one. So let's see what we have. We have two ivories. Oh, yeah, two ivory. This is the new color. One of the new colors. It's called pink variegated. So I ordered four of it. It's really, really pretty. Wow, it's very beautiful. Can't wait to see how it comes out. This is bridesmaid dress. Like I think this one was dropped last year, right? Yeah. The last color release, which was last year, was when they dropped this bridesmaid pink. These will go together. This will go together like absolutely. And I think it will go with the soft pink also. So if you're looking to mix match the pink variegated, you can either do the soft pink or the bridesmaid pink. They both, all three of them. Three of them will really make a great blanket. Okay. What color is this one? This is light gray. Okay. And this is pink French lilac. It's more like a very deep purple. Yeah. So this is all the colors we got. Yay. Now let the fun begin. Ooh, I need to put it back in so I'm going to put it back in the box and then like separate it in the three blankets that I need to make so that it's going to be easy. Like each box will have the yarn for one blanket. Yeah, there are three boxes. So one box for one blanket, one box for one blanket, the next one for one blanket. And don't worry, I'll always show you guys behind the scenes of me making the blankets. Let me know, how much did we spend? I don't even know. I'll have to check the order history. This one, they didn't put the total price. They just put the prices one by one. And even the Michaels, like the ones that I ordered from Michaels, I got them. They had online discounts. I think like 30% off. Because I really don't like shopping at Michaels. Honestly, I don't like shopping there because each one is $12.99, and my store, it's just like probably 10 minutes away. They rarely have any sales. They rarely do. So most times I go online, and when I go online, I always have like discount coupons or discount codes. So I think I had like 30% off on these ones. So it wasn't as expensive as it would be on a regular, which was really great. I should have ordered more. I should have ordered more, but I really hope that these ones that I ordered would be enough for the blanket that I'm about to make. So yay. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.